What's up guys, Nick from 1350. Today we're going to be going over the Smith loop install. I'm going to be installing a Coyote in the short version, so 6-inch. Also comes in an 8-inch. If you want to install this over the rail, it's definitely doable. I suggest doing it if you at least have a 12 and 6 o'clock rail. It's fantastic on a quad rail. The Picatinny at all 4 stations at the 12, 3, 6, and 9 will prevent this from moving forward and aft on the rail once you slide down the silicone retainer. The 6-inch version will work on several quad rails. It will work on most M-Lock and Chemo rails, but again, I would suggest that you have pick at least at the 12 and the 6 if you're going to slide it over the rail for install. I'm going to install this one through the rail. I want to find what I would consider a hard point, so thicker portion of the rail, and make sure when I slide this through the rail I'm not making contact with the gas tube, the gas block, or the barrel itself. So on this, I'm going to use this little Allen key. I'm going to slide it through the rail, use the Allen key to pick up the loop, pull it through, slide the T all the way through, and then I'm going to cinch the silicone so that I lock this in place. Then I'm going to take my flatline fiber coat padded sling, it's Flectarn, slide it through, and then again to the back side of my tri-glide. And now my sling is installed with the new Smith loop from 1350 Millworks. Again, they come in black and Coyote. I make these all myself. Obviously, you got the GSRS installed on the back with this beautiful Flectarn sling. This is a Sons of Liberty Gunworks M89 upper receiver with an EOTech with the 100 Concepts flash hider on it and the offset Holosun, and their light cover as well. So again guys, this is the Smith loop install. If you have any questions, as always, please ask, let me know. I appreciate it. Take it easy.